So we're now doing a Magic Silver Room unboxing video. I'm just going to get on the rug here, and Dan has got a Christmas present he's going to show off.
DominusRex Breakout.
DominusRex Breakout. What is it, Dan? DominusRex Breakout?
It's a hybrid of a T-Rex and a Velociraptor mixed together to make a powerful dinosaur to destroy everyone.
So, can we see what we have in the box first of all?
We have...
Oh, let's show off the box first of all.
Yes.
So this is the box. Oh my goodness grief. Yeah, a Tyrannosaurus Rex definitely lives in here, folks. Let's shove the back dead quick. There's the back of the box. And now we've seen the box, let's see what's inside the box.
We have bag 1,
Oh my goodness.
11, bag 9, bag 6, bag 2, bag 12, bag
Just throw them there, Dan.
10, 3, 7, 4, 2 bended off pieces, plates, DominusRex pieces, stickers, and a big instruction booklet with 209 pages.
Oh, let's have a look at the stickers first. Get all this guff out of the way.
Yeah, stickers. There you go.
Wow. Okay.
We have like a crack window.
Oh, where?
On the top right.
Oh, right, yeah. Goodness grief, they're shiny.
Yeah.
Look at the glare on those stickers. Oh, yeah. Is that a dinosaur on the middle?
No, but it's the logo of Jurassic World.
Oh.
It has a beware sign of DominusRex, beware.
Ooh, beware of the dinosaur. Ooh. Dun 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 dun.
And it looks like on the back of the box you have some action features like it can break down the wall and the doors slide open.
Oh, cool.
That looks good.
It does look good. Sounds fantastic.
And if you do want it, it's a lot of money.
Yeah, we're just unboxing it. We're just geeking out, as they say.
Yeah. So now I'm gonna build the DominusRex. See how big he is. I have seen a scale of him, but only on TV. Not on a real like touch. Yeah, that's the right hand. Could have done the wrong hand then. Then his legs. Snapping there. Snap in place.
Just take your time building it.
Okay.
But I didn't know you could build quick.
There we go. There's the DominusRex.
Oh my word. There's still more bags. Look, there's
I
like
know. There's
just
12
loads of bags.
There's 12 bags. The biggest I've ever had. Yeah, this is probably the biggest set I've ever had then. So that's all done. Now, a long time for building.
Oh yeah.
Just chill up and build. I mean, yeah.
Yeah.
I don't mind it though. I like building. It's something to do, so you don't get bored of something. Oh, another gyrosphere. A gyrosphere is a like big ball that people go in, so they're safe.
Wow.
The glass is actually better than normal glass that we have. I built one of these before because I've had a Dilophosaur one.
Explain what you mean it's better than the glass that we have.
Well, it has more layers. You know how you have lots of layers on windows? Well, this one has a lot of layers.
So it's like a quadruple glazed
Yeah.
window. I'm trying to get the camera on the thing that you're building.
Yeah.
I'm not doing it very well, I don't think. Oh yeah, I am.
Sorry, I'm wiggling about everywhere.
Yeah.
That's the only problem.
That can happen with
Yeah, this might take a few hours on
That's okay. Build away, my friend.
I could not sit.
Don't apologise to our viewers.
Do you seriously put this? Do you do these things on YouTube?
I do these things on YouTube. I've got.
Dear. Cool.
Yeah, I've got. This is gonna be, if you don't mind, this is gonna be episode.
Oh no, I don't.
Episode 4 of the unboxing.
Oh, I don't mind. No, I don't mind it.
All right, okay.
Not a
I
bit.
do. I've unboxed leads. I've unboxed 2 leads on. If people remember, I unboxed 2 leads on YouTube. Everyone finds. I don't know about you, but everyone finds the unboxing videos and building videos boring. I don't. I
like them. That's why I watch challenges because my sister likes them. I normally like. There's this guy called Jan Bricks. Have you heard of him?
No, I haven't heard of him.
Well, he's really good and he does all sorts of stuff. He does.
Oh, hang on. Does he do the? He did that building series where he builds things dead quick. There's a guy on YouTube who builds things that are Lego really quick.
I think it's called time lapse.
That's the one. Yeah, I'm subscribed to those ones.
Yeah.
Somewhere.
I don't subscribe, but I do something similar, like by following him. I follow him. That's why I have been on YouTube once with this. Oh, I have to build Zach. Put him in the gyrosphere.
What's a gyrosphere? Can you explain
it's
to our...
big ball, and people go in it with that. I think the guy on the film said it was magma anti-glass, something like that.
So, can we humans, can we not smash that?
Nope. No.
Even if you used to get a hammer?
Nope.
Bullets?
Maybe crack a bullet. Crack it with a hammer if you... Depends on your strength. And depends with the
Do we need
bullet.
super strength?
Probably, yeah. That's why the DominusRex in the film struggled to get Zach. And the problem is with this, in the film, you could fit 2 people in the gyrosphere, but in Lego you can only fit 1, which is a bit sad, but it's fine. As long as you can get a gyrosphere, right? That's the main thing. So now we're building the gyrosphere launcher to launch it off into the open wild. I think the most things I would do is probably just watch the mosasaur, and I would go on the gyrosphere ride, but I would find it a bit dangerous, really.
Yeah.
Thinking of what could be there lurking.
There could be dinosaurs out there.
There's all plant-eating dinosaurs, but yeah.
Yeah, they've got a name. I can't remember what they're called.
Herbivores.
No, the ones that... Oh, what are those ones?
Triceratops.
That's the one.
And then we have also like...
When I was a kid, I used to love the...
Stegosaurus.
There's two dinosaurs I loved because of the shape of them. I used to like the...
T-Rex and Spinosaurus.
T-Rex, yeah, because of its shape.
I like the Spinosaurus.
And the... I used to like the Velociraptors.
Yeah, they're nice.
And then but the thing about the Triceratops is, the cool thing about those is they can fly.
Can they?
They can, yeah. Well, some can.
Oh, you mean Tranodon?
Tranodor, that's it. They can fly.
Yeah. I know a Tranodon names like Dimetrodon. That was a weird one. It had a big long tail with a spike on it, and you wouldn't believe it, but there was even a herbivore, like a long neck, what had a big like club on the end of its tail, apparently.
Wow.
I learned that from my YouTuber, the Gaming Beaver. He went on this game called Dino Hunter Deadly Shores, and he found out that this dinosaur, and he thought, is that even real? Was that even real? And he searched it up. In the next episode, he was like, apparently that is real. And yeah, and I really like him. I watch him mostly because of how funny he is. He's really funny. And
what's he called? Sorry,
the Gaming Beaver.
The Gaming Beaver. I need to check him out.
He does stuff like he's done he doesn't do that many reviews. He does gaming reviews mostly, but still he does do reviews on these. He's done the Jurassic World the game.
You've got that, haven't you, on the DS?
Yeah. No, on my tab. He's done it. He's done that. But a review of the max level Indominus. He's done that review.
So have you played Jurassic World? Have you?
Yeah.
What do you think of the gameplay of it?
Really good.
Yeah.
They should just make more dinosaurs though. Every update, there's hardly. I know they have made new dinosaurs, but there's hardly any. Because I've just got a new dinosaur encyclopedia, and I found a new dinosaur straight away when I just flapped it open, any random page. New dinosaur, boom, bam.
And it's not there on the game.
No, I just think they need to add a few more dinosaurs, because the people who are on the last level, which is level 75, are a bit bored now. All they're doing is fighting for just things.
Yeah.
So I would really like that to happen, which will hopefully continue in the future.
Definitely.
Yeah. I'm just taking my time.
You take your time, my friend.
And I've almost finished the first packet, which is the smallest packet. I think is the crane, when you make the crane, because there's a crane.
Yeah.
And to feed the Indominus Rex, so you can't just go in and feed him, otherwise.
Just to warn viewers, I might have space to video all of this, but I have space to video most of this.
Yeah, we'll have to do a part 2.
Yeah, if we did a part 2, you'd have to take some of it apart and do it again. Oh well.
Oh man. Wait. There we go.
It's Christmas Day, and I can't believe we're doing an unboxing video on the most amazing thing ever, Tyrannosaurus Rex's. Sorry, Jurassic World.
Yeah, Indominus Rex.
Jurassic World Indominus Rex.
Because people call it iRex for short, because it's just really short name instead of.
Oh, I forgot to show off the booklet, but you're using the booklet.
Yeah. The booklet is really the same as the front page.
Oh my gosh! Right, guys, this is the biggest booklet you're ever going to see. We're not going to go through it all.
But these are the dinosaurs and people you can collect.
Yeah.
Those are all the pieces. And there's probably another.
These are all the pieces.
It's upside down.
Oh, sorry. Right, well, that's the back of it. Sorry. That's the back of it.
Upside down again. There. We have Ninja saying win. Ninjago.
Oh, right.
Lloyd saying win.
Oh, right, yeah. Oh, wow. That is just a cool... This is just something really, really, really cool to show off.
And also, I've seen on the rumours of Six told me that you can fit people in the Dominus Rex's hand, which is good. Yeah.
So is he? Oh wow.
Move it a bit more down. There we go.
Cool.
Nice big footprint there.
Yeah. Da-da-dum.
What is that?
That's just the drama. Is he? What type of dinosaur is he?
That's the Dominus Rex foot, and he's like, where is it?
Yeah, man.
And there's the full park all done. Yeah.
Yeah.
Full park.
That's the full park all done.
Well, not the full park, but... And apparently, also I've heard about the rumours, they've said there's a new set coming out called the Mosasaur Cage.
Oh yeah, you're after that, aren't you?
Yeah, I'm going to get that. But apparently it's going to be a lot of money.
Yeah.
But I'm still going to get
That'd
it.
save a lot of pennies.
Yep. Because there's an old Mosasaur for Jurassic Park. I don't know why, because there's no Mosasaur in Jurassic Park, but there was an old one for Jurassic Park, and there's going to be a new